Check out this ranch with a loft. Charming living room with wall of built-ins and big picture window. Big eat-in kitchen with oak cabinets and breakfast bar. Breakfast room with exterior access. Family room with soaring ceiling, loft overlook from above and a sliding glass door leading out to a patio. The versatile loft space has storage and endless possibilities for use. The primary suite has a vaulted ceiling. Private bath with white vanity and shower. Walk-in closet. Fourth bedroom. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. Full hall bath with shower tub combo. Utility room has hookup for washer, dryer, and mechanicals. Rear exterior. Backyard patio. Big fenced yard with a storage shed.